I've helped multiple merchants earn hundreds of millions of dollars in my Shopify development career, and I know that starting a successful Shopify store means a lot of work. In this video, I will show you 3 tools that aim to shorten the time needed to set a dropshipping store, and I will give you my honest opinion about them at the end. Here is the first tool. The process is quite self-explanatory. First, I choose the main color of my store. Then I have to choose 2 banners I want to feature on my homepage. Notice that the color is reflected in there already. Now it's time to create a Shopify store. If you have one already, you can use that as well. You will have to paste the URL and click done. After that, I am taken to the apps page where I should enable custom app development. To populate information to my store, this needs me to create a custom app, name it, and hit create. I'll be heading to the app scopes tab and enable all the rights I'll find there from top to bottom. That means that I'm allowing the app to do whatever it wants on the store. There are a lot of them, so I'll make sure to go all the way. Then we will go to the API credentials, hit install app, and then grab the access token, copy it, paste it into the field, hit save, and then done. Here you will be offered an upgrade, but because I just want to see how the store will look like, I will just choose the basic plan. I then just click customize my store and wait for the AI to do its job. For the products to be populated, I will need to select a Shopify plan. In other words, I will need to start a trial with Shopify, and for that I will need to add my card information. I'll do that real quick and then I'll hit this button. Let's add 20 carefully selected high potential products to the store in popular trending niches. Lots of good words in there. Okay, the products were added and now I am prompted to publish my store. Now the store is visible. What's next? We already have 20 winning products carefully selected from trending niches on the store, so I will not add one more, but let's see what that product would have been. Oh well, I will leave that for you to try. And here it is, my new professional store. I feel like the girl on the banner has the right expression, right? In short, this is a multi-product dropshipping store pre-populated with 20 carefully selected high potential products in popular trending niches. That might be true. Only the AI knows. To recap, we have a Dawn 13 theme on which the color scheme was set to orange. We got an orange banner and 20 carefully selected high potential, you know the rest. In terms of the products, they were imported from Zendrop. By the way, we need to install Zendrop and connect the products for the supplier to fulfill orders. I don't know about the quality of the product picks, they just seem random products to me. But hey, they might be winning products carefully selected from trending niches. You will just have to test for yourself. And here it is, my new professional dropshipping store. What do you think? Leave me a comment. Getting to the second AI tool, similar process. First I choose the color, then a banner. I'm directed to create my trial with Shopify, of course. They all give you affiliate Shopify links. The process seems kind of the same as the first one. It might be just the same software rebranded. We add the URL of the store here. I need to allow custom app development, create an app and give it access to all scopes. Then I copy the app's token and paste it here. I'll go with the free version for now, no need for all this pro stuff yet. I'll start customize the store. That means the color scheme will be changed and the main banner added. Nothing fancy just yet. Let's now add 10 hand-picked home run potential products in some of the hottest niches trending right now. Again, some big words are used here. Some minutes later, here is my professional dropshipping store and the home run potential products. This tool uses Zendrop as well. You could probably find these products listed on Zendrop's popular products, and in order to fulfill orders, you will need to install Zendrop to your store. We'll go over these affiliate offers. We are here for a different reason. Here are some upsells I won't need. And again, I get some templates for spamming my friends and family and convince them to buy some stuff from my store. For some reason, I think these services are marketed towards a younger audience. To recap, we have again a Dawn 13 theme with an orange color scheme with a banner and 10 so-called winning products. What do you think about my Shopify store? How much work did I save by using this software? Write me in the comments. Okay, and the last AI tool. This one is a tiny bit different and it makes things a bit easier. I'm going to add a name, an email, and select a niche for my store and then hit build free store. They created the store in the background and just gave me the login info. After I log in, I see the store is already done, it has a logo and it has tech products loaded as I requested. Till now this service is the most complete, far from perfect, but something more than the other services. The products come from AutoDS here and I get a list of pre-installed apps I might want to use later. Of course, the products have to be adjusted, like in the case of the other store builders, we will have to edit the titles and descriptions and everything. Overall, this store seems the most complete one. They added also policy pages, which is something I didn't see with the other stores. To recap, in this case we get a Dawn Theme 8, we get 15 products, a logo and policy pages. Okay, here's my take on this. If I would be to use any of these softwares, I would use the last one because it seemed more complete. But let's face it, none of them give us any real advantages. I would only use one of these services if I really don't want to take any of the decisions on my own. I know some people have decision fatigue but still want to get started. Nevertheless, I wouldn't recommend starting like this. Other than populating a list of so-called winning products to the store, the customization is fairly basic and you will probably want to make some of the choices with intention rather than using some presets. You will probably spend a lot of time and money dropshipping, so better learn how to build a good store on your own. You can create a Shopify Partners account and start their development stores where you can practice store development for free, no trial period. Being a successful dropshipper means wearing multiple hats in the beginning. You will be the developer, you will be the marketer, and you will be the salesperson. You will have to learn all of these and there is no shortcut for that. Would I spend money advertising products for one of the stores? No, I wouldn't. The stores still need a lot of work. What I see here is just scratching the surface. Do I think the winning products are good? No, I think you can find a buyer for any product, but you need to be a good marketer and package it correctly. By having a multitude of unrelated products and using images directly from AliExpress like we have here, the only thing I'm doing is to signal red flags to the buyer. Dropshipping is not easy, but it's not rocket science, so if you're interested and want to learn more, you should see this video next.